In today's video, I will teach you how to make yourself look tan in Lightroom. Let's get started. If you want to add a natural looking tan in Lightroom, you'll need to adjust skin tones, shadows, and warmth without making the edit look unnatural. And here's a step-by-step guide to achieving a sun-kissed glow. The first step is warming up the skin tone. Start by opening the Develop module, and in the Basic panel, increase the temperature to around 5 to 15 to warm up the entire image. Then increase the tint to around 2 to 10 to add a slight magenta shift to avoid a greenish look. But be careful not to overdo it or the image will look too orange. The second step is selecting your skin using the masking tool. To do this, go to Masking or simply press M on your keyboard, then select Subject or use Brush to manually select skin. Then adjust the feather and flow for smooth blending. This ensures only your skin is affected and not the entire image. The third step is deepen your skin tone naturally. Once the mask is applied, you can fine-tune the following settings. Increase the saturation to around 5 to 15 to enhance the skin tone. Then lower the highlights to around -5 to -15 to add depth to the tan. Then slightly decrease the exposure to around -0.1 to -0.3 to make the tan look deeper. Then increase the contrast to around 5 to 10 to add richness to the skin. This will make the tan look more natural and not overly edited. The fourth step is fine-tuning skin tone in HSL panel. To do this, go to the HSL or color panel and adjust the reds and oranges. For the hue, move slightly toward orange at around -5 to -10 for a warmer tone. And for saturation, increase it to around 5 to 20 to enhance the tan. Then lower the luminance to around -5 to -20 to deepen the tan. This keeps the tan looking natural without affecting other colors. And the fifth step is adding a soft glow with color grading. In the color grading panel, you can adjust the midtones and add a warm orange. And for shadows, you can add a golden tone. This creates a warm sunlit effect. And a bonus step is enhancing the tan with texture and dehaze. To do this, go to the Basic panel, then increase the texture to around 5 to 10 to define the skin. Then increase the dehaze at around 5 to 10 to add depth. And avoid overusing this as they can make skin look too rough. And for final touches for a realistic tan, use the radial gradient to brighten the face slightly for a healthy glow. And if needed, you can add a subtle vignette to enhance the warmth. By following these steps, you can achieve a beautiful natural-looking tan in Lightroom without over-editing. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.